Have you ever asked yourself how much money you could make on an investment, but not know the answer? If so, you need to know what is the ROI and how to calculate it. What's going on? Andrew here, and welcome back to another 2-Minute Tuesday, where every week we cover a personal finance or investing topic, and we try to do it in 2 minutes or less. So this week we're going to cover what is ROI. Now with that said, let's drop 2 minutes on the clock and get started. So what is ROI? ROI is short for return on an investment. And simply put, it's a performance metric. ROI is a way to tell what you could make on an investment or what you did make on an investment. It's also a great way to compare two investment options. Now, here's the fancy formula for actually calculating ROI. So to get ROI, you simply take what you sold something for minus what you bought it for, then divide it by what you bought it for. Now, let's give you sort of a real life example. Since I love real estate, let's go through how to calculate ROI with an example of using two properties. Now, this is going to be oversimplified just to make it easy to understand. So, house A, if you could buy it for $75,000 and then you could sell it for $100,000, that's $25,000 in profit. We would take that $25K in profit, divide it by what we bought it for, the $75K, and that gives us 33%. Now, house B, if you could buy it for $200,000 and say sell it for $250,000, that's $50,000 in profit. So a much better deal than house A, right? Well, let's calculate the ROI to make sure. So we would take, in this example, our $50,000 in profit and divide it by our original purchase price. And what do we get? 25%. So option A is actually better than option B. And that's how you calculate ROI. Now, here's the downside of ROI. The risk comes into play when you only look at these two numbers by yourself. It doesn't tell you the length of time to get the return on that investment, what you're actually investing in, or really any of the risk with that investment. But if you do not know what ROI is or how to calculate it, how will you know if you're actually going to make money or if you're choosing the better investment option? And folks, that's ROI simplified. So how did we do? Did we make it on time? All right. Because again, I just want you guys to make sure you understand this. Comment down below and let me know how are you liking this series and if there's other topics you want me to cover for you. And I'm going to keep making these to help you get ahead financially. So be sure to click on these next videos right over here and keep on learning. And as always, if you have any other further questions, please let me know. So what do we think, Nahi? Why haven't they checked on the other videos yet? Those ones right there. Those ones right over there.